right now what we're working with is the hub assembly. Right now it's all messed up, as you can see. So I'm replacing the hub because I tried to replace the stubs, and as you can see I messed them up. So replacing the hub. I already replaced the lower controller arm, the tie rod end. See, tie rod end. And yeah, that's it pretty much. And then I replaced that one too. But I need to get them adjusted because I don't know if they're put on correct. So I'm gonna work on taking this off for the first time. I don't know how to do it, so we gonna figure it out. This already took off this, so now had to also run to AutoZone and grab me a new socket. Take that off. Look at that thing. Alright, so got the hub, the brakes. Jeez, it's dirty. Alright, put the new one on. I look like that. Hold up. What's that going on? Fix this. I didn't think that was gonna work, honestly. Did not think whatsoever it was gonna work. This thing doesn't have the little clip. I just realized that. It's the old one? Yeah. I was about to say, hold up. That shit is full. Alright. You know what I should have seen first? If these, they should. It's 5 leg. This. My impact doesn't have the right conversion, so I can't even use this on it. So old school, I guess. I don't want this to fall off ever, so let me just alright. Should be working. Brakes, yeah. And then hopefully Rotors, yeah. Oh yeah, that's sexy. Jeez. Bro, whatever. Look how pretty that is. Look how pretty that is. Z23 carbon fiber ceramic brake pads.
Dad, we can play with them.
What you want? Got it on, got the brakes, the caliper, for the tire and rim. Got her all done. Drivable. We chillin', we chillin'. Gotta wash her up now. She good to hit the road. Oh shoot, wasn't too bad. Now I gotta do this side. Change the rotor, the brakes, the hub, and then I just gotta change the rotor for all these. And I'll be good. And the lug nuts on that one. And that's it for this, for now. The new car mats. Ear and ear. Ear and ear. Hopefully they look good in the car. Take these things out. Hey, cameraman, you're fired. Get the old things out. I was probably gonna jump on that. This dog. See how it looks. Yeah, looking spectacular. Take it this one. I fired her as a cameraman. She's just sitting there. She's fired. Right. Got that Aaron Yeager. Aaron Yeager. Fuck y'all, bro. Currently editing this video right now that y'all are watching. Hope y'all liked it. You know, subscribe to the channel. Leave a like, comment, you know, tell me what I should do next to the build. Cause I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing next. But we'll figure it out. But this is, you know, a little something for the first video. I have no idea what I'm doing with this editing YouTube stuff. So we just going from here, honestly. So shit, the only way is up, right? Hopefully, right? Subscribe!